No!
Deep in the ocean, a strange shadow suddenly swallowed the sun. Vivi, look. Are stars falling from the sky? No, Mira. Those are dying diamond feathers. This is bad. Every feather that touched the reef turned the vibrant world into gray ash. The diamond bird is falling. If he loses his feathers, magic dies forever. We must save him. But we have no wings to reach the clouds. Use this necklace. It creates a bubble with wings of pure light. Look at me. I'm swimming in the air. A flying fish. They began a legendary journey no sea creature had ever dared before. Wow, the world is huge. The sky is endless. Dizzy, my head is spinning. Can we eat these cotton candy clouds? Suddenly, the golden breeze struck, throwing the bubble off course. Hold on tight. The wind is tearing us apart. Cloud butterflies appeared, shielding them with glowing wings. Go, Mira. The bird is right there. I see him. High above, the diamond bird sat trapped in a swirl of dark shadows. Sadly, he looks so weak. We're almost too late. The dust of oblivion was suffocating him, draining his last glow. Hey, you monster. Stop stealing our world's colors. Determined you won't take another feather, get out. The monster lunged, the bubble cracked. Darkness was winning. Wait, laughter. It's the only weapon the darkness fears. Yes, let's sing and laugh. Fill the sky with joy. Why was the cloud sad? Because it was under pressure. Ha, ha, ha. Their laughter exploded into a rainbow shockwave, obliterating the darkness. Thank you, little heroes. You saved the light. Will our ocean be colorful again? Take this golden feather. It links the sea and sky forever. They dived back down, guided by a golden light that pierced the deep. Magic returned. Courage and laughter saved the universe.
Ha ha ha!